Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. Ahambo Ifiokiche, the honor of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I have some of my students here with me, and we're going to continue with the alphabets in Igbo language. The alphabet for today are Ki, Bi, Kwi, Li, and Mi. A word that starts with Ki is
Kom, which is can.
Good job. Kum, which means can. The next alphabet is B. A word that starts with B is Babandu, which means star. The next alphabet is Kwi, and the word that starts with Kwi is
Kusi, which is stop.
Kusi, which means stop. Good job. The next alphabet is Li. A word that starts with Li is
Lakota, which means care.
Good job. Lekota, which means care. The next alphabet is Mi. A word that starts with Mi is
Mbe, which means turtle.
Good job. Mbe, which means turtle. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.